He who finds a wife finds what is good and receives favor from the Lord. Proverbs 18:22. I hope you guys enjoyed this verse. I'm going to say everything that I just said. This is the topic of today's video. Je pense que vous avez aimé cette verset. Je vais parler tout ce que j'ai dit dans cette vidéo. Have a good day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. After Elizabeth here, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a chit chat video. It's actually me doing my homework. Normally when I do my homework, I talk to myself, so I was like, let me record myself and see the type of things that I say, what type of advice I give myself. Hopefully this video, helps somebody out. Help somebody out. I normally give myself advice, and I take those advice, so I wonder who will, be blessed with the advice that I give myself and take it for themselves. You get it? I get it. Hope you get it. Okay. Today is going to be more of an English speaking video. Je vais pas vraiment parler français parce que ça va être un peu difficile. So je vais laisser les mots, ce que je vais parler là, ça va écrire là. Je sais pas comment on dit ça. Subtitles, pour que toi aussi tu comprends. And before I start, I want to talk about a company that reached out to me. I've worked with this company before, and the company's name is Frumu. Just to let you know how serious Frumu and I are. They sent me previous glasses. They sent me glasses in my old videos, and they reached out to me to send, and they asked if they They reached out to me and they sent me a pair of their new spring collection glasses, which I'm about to show you guys right now. It's only good if I show you guys. So Frumu reached out to me and they sent me a pair of their spring glasses, and it looks like this in this beautiful case right here. It just gives you that spring vibe. Oh, you want to voyez the nets, huh? It's so pretty, isn't it? Like, this is really a spring vibe, okay? And their glasses is, I like their company. Just to show you, I have worked with Frumu before, and these are the pair of glasses that I received from Frumu before. I'm gonna try them out so you can see. The lenses are very dirty, but these are the glasses that I received from Frumu in my previous videos, in my latest videos, if that makes sense. These right here, this right here. Oh, Professor Affy, okay. This right here. See, they have all kinds of style, baby. Look at this one. Oh, too bad my face is round for this type of glasses. Oh, this is more like a picture taking glasses. Tu te vois comme ci, comme ça. Oh. And then this is my favorite. I wear this as if I wear reading glasses, but really I have perfect vision. But when I wear them, nobody knows that I don't, have perfect vision. I just wear them from Styles. And this is like an everyday, listen, sweatpants, t-shirt, hair up, no makeup on. Sis, this is like an everyday glasses for me. If I wear this, you can't tell if I wear reading glasses or not. That's the purpose of these glasses. They're for people that wear reading glasses and they make it look cute. I've always wanted to wear reading glasses, and now I'm part of the crew. Too bad I have perfect vision. But anyway, this pair of glasses that they sent me is from their spring collection, and it looks like this. Ooh. Oh, and it also comes with a little nose screwer thing, like in case your glasses, these things like right here on your glasses become loose. And they come with a little glasses wiper. I don't know what you call this stuff right here, but it's made to wipe your lens out, And these right here. And these are the pair of glasses that they sent me. Right here is the clear, well, I picked out the glasses. It's the clear, I don't know, I just want the clear looking glasses. And it looks like this. One thing I really like about Frumu is, like, when you are on their site, first, you can connect you can upload your picture on the website, and like you can try out the glasses on your picture. It's like a selfie thing. I've showed it to you guys before, but I'm gonna place it on here so you guys can see it again. Like, you can get your own, like, you could take a selfie, upload it on the website, and like try out the glasses on your selfie just to see if your face goes well with the glasses. If you are a round face like me, not every glasses goes with your face, but sis, if you can rock it off, you good. You good. These are their pair of a pair of their spring collection. I will leave the link down below. I believe if you are a new first comer, I think you get some type of discount code. I forget what it is, but I would make sure that I leave the link down below so you can get some percentage off of your first purchase. So thank you Frumu for such lovely glasses. Professeur, les professeurs, les professeurs, les professeurs. Anyway, let me take these glasses off so I can actually focus on what I'm doing. So thank you Frumu for such a lovely pair. They have different style. These are the style that I picked. And I'm going to put them back in the case. And don't worry, it does come in a case. You can put your glasses in a little pretty case. It doesn't have to be this type of case. You can also pick your favorite type of case. But that's extra, sis. I don't like to do extra, okay? The clear case is fine with me as long as it can guide my glasses. So let's get on to the video. If you are new on my page, make sure you like, subscribe. So today I just want to make a couple talk. I wanted to do a mukbang. I said mukbang, but I'm not hungry, so we're just gonna do homework. And I got my laptop here, so we're gonna do homework. Recently I've been getting, listen, my computer's old, okay? Don't make fun of it. Recently I've been seeing a lot of posts on Instagram on females performing. What are you thinking? I keep saying performing. Female proposing to men, okay? And this subject, I was like, what? I mean, of course, it's been happening for a while now, but I'm feeling like this trend is now, becoming like a famous trend. Because, every season there's a trend. And this year, this season, this month, this previous, I don't know how to call it, but I have been seeing a lot of females proposing to men. And I'm like, quelle sorte de sorcellerie ça, hein? Quelle sorte de sorcellerie ça, hein? Quelle sorte de kindoki ça, huh? I have never ever imagined in my life seeing a female propose to a guy. I told my mom about this trend and she was like, it's been happening for a while. It shocked me because I've always thought a man is supposed to propose to a female, because if you think about it, scientifically speaking, females, we mature faster than men, and it takes a man a while for him, I'm hoping it's a him, for him to mature and to realize how much of a wonderful girl you are and how much of a blessing you've added onto his life, if that makes sense. And I've been seeing a lot of this nonsense. Like, some people think it's okay, but for me it's like eye-opening, because it's like, if you are really into, like, if you see things spiritually, you won't find this okay. If you see things just how the world see it, it's okay. The society is saying it's okay. 2019, sis, it's time for you to get yours. Then that's weird. Like, I'm not trying to say, yes, I am trying to say that. Like, that's just weird. Like, it's my opinion. My channel, my opinion. And it's like, why? Why would you propose to a man? Like, here's how I look at it. First of all, Proverbs 18:22, it says, he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtain favor from the Lord. It doesn't say she who finds a husband find a good thing. I don't think anywhere in the Bible it speaks about a wife, a girl proposing to a man, or a girl preparing to propose to a man. It doesn't say anything like that. It talks about men finding a wife. If a man finds a wife, they become one, and he should leave his parents' house. But anyway, like I was saying, I was shocked. Like, I don't think it's the right thing to do. I don't know. That's just a bunch of sorcery to me. I don't know. It was just interesting that I've been seeing a lot of that on Instagram. Like, it's not even people that I follow. Like, I can go on the Explore page, and it's everywhere on the Explore page. And it's just like, wow, like, sis, really? Really? Like, being single is cool to a certain extent. I've been to the point where, like, it's frustrating to be single at a certain age. I've been single for almost 3 years now, and it's like, sis, what am I doing? Like, am I ugly? What's wrong with me? Like, I've done some psychological testing. Psychological. I've done a lot of those testing. I don't think if I said it right. But I've done a lot of those evaluations to see what's wrong with me. But I've learned that there's nothing wrong with me. It's just there's a timing for everything. And normally, I don't look at these timing as a, God's timing. I just look at these timing as maybe I'm not ready. But I've learned to understand that there is such thing as God timing. And throughout the process of being single, you need to learn how to, one, learn who God is, and two, build your relationship with God, and three, learn how to be patient. Because when you're not patient, you do things like that. You propose to men, and it's like, I don't know. I feel like some of these some of these relationships, it just brings a bunch of maledictions in your life. They're just weird. Like it's weird to me. It's very weird, and it's just like, I don't know. I'm kind of iffy about the situation. I don't know. But speaking of relationship, I think you should just take your time, like when it comes to trying to be engaged, finding the one. I think I came to this understanding of patience. Patience can cause you to go through a whole bunch of obstacles. It gets you to the point where like you feel like you're losing it because you're not receiving what you're praying for. The book of Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 3, it says, "Linger not, even if it lingers, wait for it. Although it delays, it's something good." I'm not sure if that's the correct verse, but it says linger not. Let me look it up. Although it lingers, wait for it. It will certainly come, and it will not delay. What I've learned from that verse is, although what you're praying for is taking a while. Sorry, I'm trying to log into my school website. Although what you're waiting for is taking a while, wait for it. Be patient. If you're in a relationship where you feel like he would never propose, and you guys have talked about, marriage, as long as he see marriage in your future, wait for it. I can understand if you're dating somebody and they're unsure about marriage, they don't believe in marriage. That's a sign for you to leave. If somebody doesn't believe in marriage, that's a sign for you to leave. That's there's no way you think you're gonna change his mind. That right there, that's the first sign. If somebody tells you, I don't believe in marriage, why can't we just keep it the way it is? Sis, you're gonna be waiting for a long time and it's not gonna change. But if you are with somebody and they see a future with you, they see marriage in the future with you, wait for it. Although it lingers, wait for it. Although it takes a long time, wait for it. Eventually it's going to happen when the guy feels like it's right, when it's God's timing for it to happen. Some people talk to their, significant other about marriage, and their significant other agrees and they see marriage in their future. But the female, this is how I see this whole female proposing to men. Yeah. Now, the female isn't patient enough. Because us female, because I'm a female, I hope you see that I'm a female. But as a female perspective, I see it as we female would get impatient. We look at our age, first of all. We don't want to be engaged at 40 and have kids at 45. That's even possible. I don't know. But we look at our age, and our age is very important to us. I feel like a lot of females are looking at their age and forgetting about, it takes time. Marriage is not something that you just hop into. I've seen a lot of couples around me where they get married at 18 because so-and-so is going into the army, and then you look at their page, they're no longer together. I've seen people get married and they're not happy at a young age. Although it lingers, wait for it. If you are single and you're going through a situation where you feel as if you should be in a relationship, you are a great girl, you should be in a relationship, be patient. Be patient, sis. Seriously, be patient. I'm learning that myself. I've learned that being patient is one of my biggest problems. Being patient with me is when I'm patient, the things that I'm praying for, when I don't see it happening right away, I try to solve the situation myself. And then I get hurt. I try to, work something that wasn't meant to be in the past with someone else, and then it doesn't work out because of the previous situation that happened in the past. It's the same reason why you broke up before, and that same problem is what's keeping you guys from working things out again. And it's just what are you doing, sis? What are you doing? You see it right in front of you. it's not going to work out. But you're trying to rebuild something that's been broken up already. Like, it's just like, we really try to fix things that doesn't deserve to be fixed instead of just waiting for it. God's timing is really important. God's timing is something that people take for granted. We try to fix things ourselves because we think it's God's timing to do so. Sometimes we know it's not God's timing, but we try to do him a favor. God doesn't need your favor. God knows what he's doing. He's a God of the impossible. Although it lingers, wait for it. Your relationship will come. I believe that my relationship will come sometime soon. I'm 25 years old. My cousins are engaged. My cousins are in a relationship. And I'm 25 years old and I'm still going in and out. And right now I haven't been dating, and I feel like that's where I'm at right now. I don't want to date. I want to I want to is it courtship? Courtmanship? Something like that. Courtmanship? I don't know what it's called. Is it a courtmanship? Let me look up Google. Yeah, I want a courtship. Courtship.
Courtship.
Yeah, I want a courtship. It's a relationship. I'm looking for a courtship. If that's even the right way to use it. A courtship is basically a period during which a couple develop a romantic relationship, especially with a view of marriage. A relationship and a courtship is different. A relationship, you're just trying to see what's going to happen. But a courtship is something that you both are pursuing into. You like each other, but you are trying to pursue this relationship into a marriage. If that's making sense. You're trying to move it into a marriage. You see each other. You see marriage in your future. A relationship is people that just, this is what I've learned. A relationship is basically, you dating, trying to see what's going to happen. You don't have an idea what's going to happen. But if you are doing a courtship, you want to get married eventually. You see the reason why you guys are in it, because you see marriage in your future. If it's not about marriage, don't mess with me. So that's where I'm at right now. And I think if you are one of those people and you're like, I'm tired of being single, I'm all about my money, blah, blah, blah. Don't be tired. Although it takes a long time, wait for it. Everything happens for a reason. Just keep on praying. Seek God for everything that you're looking for. And be patient. Kind of like Hannah in the book of Samuel, 1 Samuel. Hannah couldn't have a baby. Hannah couldn't give birth to a child. But, eventually she went to God and she cried out to God about her problems, and God heard her and next thing you know, Hannah got pregnant, and gave birth to Samuel. You gotta cling on to God, although it lingers, although it's taking a while for it to happen. Don't let it go. I think sometimes we miss out of our blessings. We miss out on our blessing because we get tired of praying for it. And we just get tired of seeing no results. But really, really, honestly, you will see that if you continue to seek God and you don't give up on your prayer, it's gonna come. It's gonna come. And that's all I wanted to say. I don't think I'll be able to talk to you guys while I do my homework. But I just wanted to say that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. I think it's like 20-some minutes. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm going to go back doing my homework. I thought I was going to do my homework while I talk to you guys. Come to find out, I'm not a multitasker. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll come back on here and do some chit-chat if you guys like it. Although it lingers, wait for it. And don't forget to check out Frumu. I'll leave the link down below. Bye, guys.